Today we'll learn how to make a PowerPoint presentation for our project. So first you're going to open up your PowerPoint and go in, and we're going to pick a template to use. So we will just pick this one. You can pick any one you would like. And then we're going to go in and it pulls up the little screen. And if you notice, there's a spot for mini slides. And so what we're first going to do is we're going to make our title. And so since our project is about our favorite animal, I'm going to put my favorite animal, which is cats. And then you want to put your name on the bottom. Awesome. Now we're going to go in and we're going to insert a new slide. So you're going to go up and you're going to click the slides button and you're going to go to new slides, click that. And now it pops up with a new page. And this has a little title section in the spot to add text. Now we can switch our slide, different layouts, so we can have it where we can put content or our words and then our picture on the side, or if we want two pictures or video or however we want. So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to put my title as cats. And then you're just going to write a little bit about your subject. So we'll just write a little quick sentence. Okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to insert a picture. So what you want to do is go to your little box over here and you're going to click the little picture. Or you can go up to insert pictures and then we're going to pick one from a file. And now since we already have saved our pictures, we can just grab one off this. Alright, and so then it inserts our picture. And now, thankfully, ours has design ideas, and so we can change the look of it or see how we want to fix it differently. So we'll pick this one. Now say you want to change your colors of your picture or your PowerPoint. So you can go into design and we can choose the many different colors they have. So they have pinks and blues, and you can customize it all you want. I'm going to stick with the pink. Now what if you want to add another picture? So you're just going to go in once again and click pictures from file, insert, and there you have it. Then you have another picture. Alright, and that is how we insert pictures and start our PowerPoints.